Howdy, welcome to Easy Content Manager. In this video, I will show you how to use the Claim add-on for Easy Content Manager. First, open Easy Content Manager dashboard. Before using the Claim feature, go to ECM Settings Add-ons and enable the Claim add-on. Go to the Easy Content Manager setting option and click Claim Management on specific content. Once enabled, you can define exactly which WordPress post types will support the Claim feature. Options include pages, posts, attachments, images, files, and any custom post types. Default behavior. If no specific post type is selected, the system enables the Claim feature for all available post types. ECM is designed to be plug and play. You don't need to be a developer or write custom PHP code to display the Claim system. We use shortcodes, simple snippets of text that the system automatically converts into functional buttons or badges on your website. No setup required, just copy and paste. Instant rendering. The content appears on the front end immediately. Zero configuration. No extra coding or complex settings are needed. Now we go to the WordPress dashboard page editor and paste the copied Claim shortcode in the shortcode blank box and click on the Save button and preview it. That's how you can easily use the Claim add-on for Easy Content Manager to allow users to claim listings. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials.